You wouldn't believe, at the weekend, here we had a snowstorm. We had about an inch of snow. Today, 25 degrees. Wicked. And it's only Tuesday. Anyway, you can hear behind me I've got my old jam jar going, the old Focus, and I thought I'd test out the AC. And of course it's not really working. But I bought a little gadget down here. I don't know if you can see down here. Now let's have a little bit of a zoom, see if we can see. Here, and it shows I've only got 10 psi pressure in there. It should be 40. That's why it's not working very cold. But I've got some filler here, some of this Red Tech 12A Pro, I don't know what it is. And this is the resealable can, so we're not too bad. It's got a little dot in there, so we can use that again. We're going to put it in here and charge up the system. This is a real cheap way of doing things. Alright. So we hold the can upside down. The fan's just come on. We want it on 40, there. Let's go inside the car and see how cold it is. Right, this is just a quick insert here because you're dying to know why I'm not using my regular gauges and things like that. Well, the simple reason is this has only got one port on the suction side. It hasn't got the high pressure and low pressure. It makes it easy to do. But that's the reason why I bought this little thing. So here we are in the car. It's we turn the AC on. I'll just turn it on for a little bit because the wind noise makes the sound go a bit funny. But it's lovely and chilly now. That's good. So let's turn this off. This little gadget was, you know, it was well worth it. It's not a professional little gadget, but it does the job, and especially on this thing here, and I'm going to tell you the reason why. This already had 10 pound pressure in. So unlike the regular gauges where you vacuum the system out first and then you put gas in, this is just basically for topping up, but don't go over 40. If you put more pressure in, to go to 50 and 60 whilst the engine's running, what will happen is you've got a thing called a trinary switch. How would we explain it? If the pressure's too high, it switches off. If the pressure's too low, it switches off. So you need it just in that little sweet spot there. You get it? Now it's always wise to run your AC every now and again, even in winter, just to circulate the oil, to stop the seals drying out. I guess that's what's happened to this, because it's only got 100,000 kilometres on in, what, since 2009, so it hasn't got that many. It's been parked up a lot. So anyway, I hope you like that, but like I say, it's a cheap little gadget. It's not for, you know, new installs or anything like that. It's purely for topping up, but it works really easily. Simple. Alright, see you later.